Hey everyone, Kenny Brown here, MarineMax in Panama City Beach. Standing here on the dock. Wanted to take a minute and show you this 2012 Everglades 275 center console. Notice it's equipped with twin Yamaha 304-stroke motors, matching color white. Look at this beautiful boat. Look on the hardtop while we're on the dock. Has your outriggers, closed dome radar, but I want to point out a few great things to you. Come on aboard, let's take a look. Okay everyone, here we are aboard the 2012 275 Everglades. Standing here, sitting here in the cockpit area. Notice you have rod holders there on the hardtop. Nice big live well here in the back. You have your transom door for boarding, getting on and off the boat with your swim ladder back there. Notice your nice bench seat here for when you're taking them long trips out and coming back in and relaxing. And of course, fishing room. Look at all the fishing room here in the cockpit area. Okay, you've got a nice prep bait station back here. Wash down, put all your baits and stuff and so forth in there. But let's take a look at the helm. Okay, here we are at the helm of this 2012 275 Everglades. Folks, take a look at this helm. It's equipped with everything. Dual Garmin electronics. You can see I've got your chart there. I've got the radar overlay on. Got your bottom machine here. You got your CO5 Yamaha displays that monitor both your engines. Notice this boat only has 200 hours on it. How awesome is that? All your controls are right here. You've got autopilot here. Trim tabs. Up here you've got your Clarion stereo equipped with J&L speakers all throughout with subwoofer. Got your VHF radio controls here for all your lights and hardtops. Outriggers control here. As we hop down and move forward, notice as we're walking on the boat, you've always got a recessed handrail to hold on to. Why is that important? When it's a little choppy and you're walking on the boat, whether you're fishing or going to the island, you've always got somewhere to hold on to for safety. Look at the size of the head down here, folks. See the nice porcelain head down there? That head's designed to use. As we move here forward to the bow, you can see all the room up here in the bow. You got seating here, you got beautiful seating here with an armrest. How about this, folks? How about if you want to store your rod and reels on the boat, look in here. You can store your rod and reels right up alongside there on both port and starboard side. Notice it's also equipped with your windlass anchor. Got a big fish box here. You can utilize that for fish or refreshments and whatnot. But folks, this is a great opportunity to own a premier Everglades boat. It's a 2012, only 200 hours on this boat. You know, the Everglade is a very, very nice boat. The way they designed this boat is completely foam molded, filled with their ram cap design, a safe, subtle, soft ride. And this boat's designed to fish. If you're looking for a boat that you want to go 30, 40, 50, 80 miles offshore with 200-gallon fuel tank, with great fuel economy, cruising speed right at 30 miles an hour, this is the boat for you. So come on down and see Kenny Brown here at MarineMax Panama City Beach. You can reach me directly at 850-596-8108. And remember, it's all about making memories on the water.